miles an hour. Sunday night, mostly clear. Cold with lows around 19. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Monday, sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Monday night, mostly clear until midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Temperature rising through the 20s after midnight. Veterans Day, partly sunny. Not as cool with highs in the upper 50s. Tuesday night and Wednesday, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Highs in the lower 60s. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Patchy fog after midnight. Lows in the mid-30s. Thursday and Thursday night. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. At noon at Chillicothe, the temperature was 50 and the relative humidity 63%. The wind was southeast at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.79 inches. For other cities in Missouri, at Warrensburg, rain was falling with a temperature of 54. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 50 at St. Joseph, 56 at Columbia, and 56 at St. Louis. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 54 at Moberly, 63 at Sedalia, 55 at Kansas City, and 48 at Kirksville. Elsewhere in the Midwest, at Topeka, rain was falling, with a temperature of 53. At Wichita, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 62. At Omaha, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 38. At Des Moines, rain and fog were reported, with a temperature of 39. Once again, at noon at Chillicothe, the temperature was 50 and the relative humidity 63%. The wind was southeast at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.79 inches. This is National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ34 in Carrolton, Missouri.